Hey guys, Mandy here, and today I will be doing an unboxing for you. What we have here is a mystery box based on Super Mario Brothers. And in case you're wondering who these little guys are, we do have an episode on them, and you can find it in the link right above me. Now, let's get started on the unboxing. This is the front. It shows here we have a collectible coin, a fleece scarf, insulated lunch bag, an iron-on patches, knit beanie, a mini note block, and our mystery vinyl, which we will find out soon what that is. On the back, we have a description on who actually built it, and it was built by Culturefly. And then here we have the Nintendo seal, which is always a good thing. Now let's get to unboxing. Okay, let's get these two guys out of the way. And I need my handy dandy unboxing knife. Let's see here. Oh, this is okay. 50% off coupon. And we have a scarf here. Should be warm. Then we have a cute knit beanie. Like that. See how this thing's gonna go. A mini block. There's something inside. Well, looky there. It's the mystery item. Well, ain't that cute? Then this is the insulated lunch pail. And your coin, a collectible coin. And these are iron-on patches. That would be a great look. Somewhere like right there. And that's all. That's all that's in this box. I would really love to know if you guys got the same vinyl figure that I did. I'm not sure if they're all the same or different, but I'd love to know what you got in your box. So please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Off to see Mario. Princess Peach ain't got nothing on this, okay? Nothing. Bye. Mario's gonna love this look. I hope Mario likes this one. We're so stupid.